Hello everyone. I hope you have enjoyed my previous videos on IELTS vocabulary. In today's video, I am going to teach you three new words. The first word for today is capitulate. C-A-P-I-T-U-L-A-T-E. The meaning of this word is stop resisting. I'll construct a sentence for you for your better understanding. Only when I wrapped up the pill into a loaf of bread did my dog capitulate and eat it. The second word for today is unequivocal. Unequivocal, which means leaving no doubt. I'll construct a sentence for you for better comprehension. On the international forums, we should have an unequivocal position for our country. The third and the last word for today is penchant. P-E-N-C-H-A-N-T. It means strong liking. I'll construct a sentence for you for your better understanding, and the sentence is: Waqas was warned many times of his penchant of daydreaming during the official meetings. I hope you are going to assimilate these words and also watch my previous videos in which I have taught three words in each one of them so that you enhance your vocabulary for IELTS speaking, reading, listening, and especially writing. Follow us on our social media like Facebook and Instagram and join tracks.